Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign up for a Amazon seller account. Amazon Seller is an online platform that enables pretty much anyone to become a retailer on Amazon, where individual sellers, brands and merchants log in to manage and list their products on Amazon.com. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and search in for a sell.amazon.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Amazon Seller. Here you can see the option of sign up. You need to click on it as we are going to create a new account on Amazon Seller. Here you will see the process for login. As we are going to create a new account on Amazon Seller, you need to click on create your Amazon account. Now here, to create your account, you need to provide the following details. Go in for providing your name. Now you provide your email address. Then go in for providing a password for your Amazon Seller account. Re-enter your password for the confirmation. After you're done providing all the details, you need to click on next. Here you need to verify your provided email address. For that, you need to provide a OTP sent to your mail by Amazon Seller. So go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Amazon Seller. Here you can see a mail from Amazon at very first. You click and open the mail. Here you can see OTP code. You need to copy the code. Go back to Amazon Seller page. There you need to paste the OTP code. Click on verify. Also, you need to add your mobile phone number over here. First of all, you need to select your country. Then you go in for providing your number and click on add mobile number. Now here you need to provide a OTP code sent to your provided mobile phone number. So I've already got a OTP code from Amazon. Then you click on create your Amazon account. And just with that, you have created your Amazon account. Click on begin. Now here you need to follow the further process for becoming an Amazon seller. First of all, you need to choose your business location. Then you need to go in for choosing what type of business do you have. You can go in for any of selecting this. As I'm going to select none, I am an individual. Now here you need to provide your first name, middle name if you have it, then go in for providing your last name. Then you need to click on the checkbox that you confirm the business location and the types. You click on agree and continue. Now then you need to provide the individual information of yours. You go in for providing your first name, provide the middle name if you have, then go in for last name. Then you need to select the country of the citizenship. Then go in for selecting the country of your birth. Then go in for providing your date of birth. Then you need to scroll little down. Then you need to select a identity proof, that is either a passport or national ID. Then you need to select the country of the issue. Then you need to provide a password number of yours. Then provide a date of expiry of your password. Then you need to provide your residential address. Now there you can see the phone number that you have provided before. If you want to add a new phone number, then you can click on add a new mobile number and go in for providing a new number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on next, where you will be moved towards the another page, that is billing section, where you need to provide all your account details. Then you need to click on continue, where you will be directed towards the store section, where you need to provide the store details of what kind of stores do you have or what are you trying to serve. Then at last you will be moved towards the verification section. Once the Amazon verified your store details, you will have yourself a Amazon Seller account completed. This is how you can create an account on Amazon Seller. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a Amazon Seller account. Thank you.